Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the super annoying issue where Snapchat keeps cranking your volume up to max all on its own, especially in 2025 with all the latest updates, you're in the right place. This problem can be frustrating, interrupting your snaps and stories, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some easy fixes that should get things back to normal in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your Snapchat settings. Open the app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, go to Settings, and look under App Appearance or Sounds. Make sure there's no option set to automatically adjust volume. If you find something, toggle it off and test the app. Next, a simple restart can work wonders. Close Snapchat completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. If that doesn't help, try restarting your entire phone. This often clears temporary glitches that might be causing the volume spike. Now, ensure your Snapchat app is up to date. Head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for Snapchat, and update it if a new version is available. Updates usually fix bugs like this one. Another effective step is to clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or reset settings through the Settings app. This removes any corrupted data that's messing with your volume controls. If the problem persists, check your phone's overall sound settings. Sometimes, accessibility features or media volume controls could be overriding apps. Go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, and make sure no automations are set. Also, if you have any third-party volume apps, try disabling them temporarily. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This will give you a fresh start, but remember to log back in with your account details. Once you're back in, test it out and see if the issue is resolved. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix that pesky volume problem in Snapchat for 2025. If these tips helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.